Okay, welcome to the webinar. This is how to 10x your legal practice income in the next 12 months. I'm Matheson McKinnon of the 10x Injury Lawyer, and this is for plaintiff lawyers who practice personal injury law. So what you're about to discover is how to get new clients with real cases on autopilot without using SEO or Google ads, and also how to 10x your income by getting maximum settlements for your clients without litigating. So I really appreciate you joining me here. I'm Matheson, and I'm going to keep it as short and as sweet as possible. And if you stay till the end, you get a bonus, the 7-step guide to get new clients on autopilot. A little bit about me. I have a law degree, a law graduate. I worked in Washington, D.C. for 3 years. Later on, I was appointed to a tribunal for workers' compensation cases. I have 110 legal decisions. Then for years, I worked in the insurance industry as a bodily injury examiner, and I've settled close to 1,000 cases. I was the guy who set the reserves, had millions of dollars in reserves, who negotiated with plaintiff counsel like yourselves or directly with third parties and did the settlement and issued the settlement check. So I have a lot of experience with this. In fact, I wrote a book on it called Insurance Settlement Secrets, a step-by-step guide, which shows people how to negotiate their settlements for smaller cases without going through litigation. So as a plaintiff lawyer, you've got several practice challenges. Basically, number one is you've got to find new clients with real cases. Number two, you've got to get great results for your clients. You want to get maximum insurance settlement payouts, and then you've got to get paid. And how you get paid on a contingency fee depends on the kind of settlement that you get for your clients. And the settlement that you get for your clients, of course, depends on the merit of their case, how real their case is. So, how is your current system working for you? You're probably using referrals or the old way of TV and print ads or search engine optimization and traffic to get to your website or Google ads and pay-per-click. Now, search engine optimization is very expensive and it's very competitive because all the other firms are trying to do the same thing. Google ads also are very expensive. You can pay up to $100 per click in some markets like New York and California. So this is a big problem. And even if you do well and you're paying on search engine optimization, when people go search for you, such as the personal injury lawyer, the keyword, and the city, you're going to have a lot of competition. And if you're not there on the top, then it's not working for you. And if you do pay-per-click Google ads and spend $100 per click, that just gets them to your website. Only 1% to 2% of people actually respond on the website. So if you don't give them instant answers, they move on. So what if there was a better, faster, cheaper way to get new clients? Well, there is. It's called automated client acquisition. And what it is using AI robots. Well, a different kind of robot. What kind of robot? AI-powered conversational chatbots. We are in the conversational age. And how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. All you need is a Facebook business page. And you can skip sending people to your website. You don't have to. You can let clients contact you directly on Facebook. Now, why Facebook? Because that's where everyone is. Everyone and their dog is on Facebook. And that's where your clients are. So instead of sending them and pushing them to your website, you've got to be on Facebook. And many law firms are, because your clients are only one click away on Messenger. If you're on Facebook, you can be reached by Messenger. And if they're on Facebook, you can reach them on Messenger. So the Messenger app is one click away. And when someone clicks on your Facebook ad, instead of sending them away from Facebook to your website, they get an automatic message on Messenger. If you're using a chatbot connected to the Facebook ad. Now, Facebook ads are sophisticated. The thing about Facebook ads is people are on Facebook. They're not looking for you. However, Facebook, with its complex algorithms, can determine if someone is injured in your area. And therefore, your ads will appear to them. And so instead of them looking for you, you appear to them in their newsfeed. And if they click on it, then they get a message from you directly. A chatbot then starts a conversation with them. If they click on it, it starts a conversation and they get immediate answers to their questions. And so what this does is saves a ton of typing for you. You don't have to keep on typing all the time and you'll never miss a client again if you're on the phone or in a meeting, because this is done for you. So let's have less talk from me and let's do a live demo to see a chatbot on Facebook in action. Okay, here's our live demo. So people who would have gone to your Facebook ad, they would have read your ad and then clicked on the trigger. Either they would make a comment or get started. And this would trigger the messenger. And so we're going to look at it here on an iPhone because a lot of people are on iPhones. So what happens is they get a message, they click on their message to see what's there, and there's your header image at the top, and then it's hi, whatever your name is, thanks for visiting, please take our accident quiz in our new client-served chatbot so we can better serve you to see if you have a case and should get an insurance settlement. And so we're just very open and clear to them so they know they're dealing with a chatbot. And again, we give them notice that this is not legal advice. They will have a choice at the end to choose a free consultation. And then we ask, is that okay with you? And we always give them a choice. Yes, I'm ready, or no, thanks. You always give an opt-out with messenger bots. It's a protocol that Messenger wants. So they make the choice and they click, yes, I'm ready. So now we're in the bot. And awesome. Were you in some kind of accident? Again, they got a choice. So in this case, we'll go, yes, unfortunately. Okay, sorry to hear that. Accidents are stressful. Did this happen in California or out of state? So this can be customized to whatever the state is that you're in, your jurisdiction. So let's just say California. And do you live in California? It's a question of, do you want to be dealing with out-of-state clients or in-state clients? And this can be customized, but we want to give you all the options of the necessary information that you're looking for. Okay, let's see if we can help you. When did the accident happen? And in this case, we're trying to make sure, is it close to the accident within the last 6 months or within the statute of limitation period? And this will be customized to whatever the state is. So, because if it's close to the time, like in this case, within the last month, then you know that you can give them advice on medical attention, etc. So here we are. Sorry to hear that. What type of accident was it? Car accident, slip and fall, other type of accident. And there's a whole bunch of different bots, the whole suite of these possible accidents, car accidents, slip and fall, toxic exposure, defective products, dog bites. So let's just say they choose car accident. Okay, and then they've got a range of types of car accidents. This is just a quick visual presentation so that they can get an idea, and it gives you some information to work with if they're going to go ahead. So then they can just click. These are visual, failure to stop, failure to yield, left turning vehicle, rear end collision. These are standard auto accidents, running a red light, or was it pedestrian or cyclist? So they've chosen failure to yield. And where we want to know then, were there any damages to the vehicle? Because this helps the bot decide if there was any liability or not, or just even some exposure. And were repairs done? This is just some information that you can use. It really helps out. So who was at fault for the accident? And most people are going to say the other driver was at fault. Some people are going to say they don't know. So as long as we've got some exposure, if they say they were 100% at fault, well, maybe they already know they shouldn't be making a claim. But otherwise, they're going to make a choice. And so they choose 50-50, not sure. Now then we want to go to the injury part, where any of your passengers or you injured in any way. And then we got a range of choices. Yes, they were injured, a bit sore. Could have been a passenger injured, or I was injured. So they got a range of choices. And in this case, they'll choose, yes, they were injured. And then you want to know, did they get any medical attention? And I put within 1 month of the accident because it helps establish the relationship with the accident. If they leave it longer than a month, it's still doable, but it creates some difficulties. So were you receiving any treatments? And they have a choice. Or are they awaiting treatments, or they don't need any treatments? This will help you establish if there's a case here. So Have you received any benefits? And did they take any time off work? Okay, and they chose no time off work. And now we're at the point where they can do their free consultation if they're interested. So just slide up here, and at the top, okay, based on your answers, you may be entitled to an insurance settlement. Would you like a free consultation with a top personal injury lawyer? Don't worry, personal injury lawyers work on contingency fee and will only get paid when you get paid. Having a personal injury lawyer protects your legal rights and ensures you get maximum insurance settlement. And then click below if you would like a free, no obligation consultation. So now they have that choice. So they click free consultation, and then we ask them for their email, and this is provided by Facebook. This is the Facebook email, but we also have an option to have them free input another email if they want. But in this case, Facebook has put the email in there for us. And this gives them some agency. Now we already know, Facebook already knows their full name, first and last, but we want to give them some agency just in case. So, and then we ask them when's the best time to reach them, and they can schedule a call. This is a free app called Calendly, which can be connected to your calendar so that your free time is available for them to see, and then they can choose what time they want to be there. Just save so much back and forth, and then they go confirm, and they scheduled. We're out of this, and now you've got a meeting, and they've already received a thank you, and you get in real time a notice to your messenger that someone with a case has contacted you, and all their contact information and all the data that they chose is now, you've got access to that instantly in real time. I hope this is helpful, and you could see just what can be done with chatbots, and this is all customizable as well. Okay, what I've just shown you is how to find new clients without search engine optimization or with Google Ads. Not only does this save you a huge amount of time and work, but also you get new clients pre-screened with real prima facie cases. Now let's go to part 2, how to get maximum settlements for your clients without litigating. As a plaintiff lawyer, you know that clients with a real prima facie case, that is, they were injured, there was causation, there's liability exposure on the other party or parties, then you know very well it will never go to trial. Why? Because the insurance companies fear one 4-letter word more than anything, and that is the word risk. This means that you're guaranteed to get a settlement for your client, which also means you can get maximum settlement for your client really fast without going through lengthy litigation. Why? Because insurance companies have financial reasons to settle their liabilities fast. For a step-by-step guide on how to do this, I've created an exclusive 10x Injury Lawyer 8-day master course, and you can learn about how to get this course at the end of the presentation. Now, part 3, getting paid. Could you handle in your practice an additional 5 new clients with real cases per month? How much is your average client worth to you? 10,000, 15,000, 20,000? Well, from my experience over many years settling injury cases, and that's car accident, slip and fall, product liability, toxic tort, dog bites, you name it, the minimum real average is about 50,000 if there's a lawyer attached. If it's less than that, it'll be about 30,000, which in insurance terms is close to nuisance value claims. But if there's a lawyer attached, it'll be around 50,000 or up. And if you're taking fees on that, that would be 16,500 if you're doing it at 33%. Now, just 5 average settlements per month, that would be 82,500. And 60 average settlements per year, that's just under $1 million in 12 months. So you might think that's a lot. How many settlements do you do per month or per year? Insurance examiners, the bodily injury examiners, average 2 to 4 settlements per week. So it's not rocket science. It's a business decision for the insurance companies. What difference would it make to you and to your legal practice to get 5 new clients with real prima facie cases per month? How would it transform your practice to consistently get fantastic settlements for your clients and to get it fast without lengthy litigation? How happy would your clients be? You would get more referrals. How much would you save if you don't use SEO and Google ads? And how much would you save on costs and disbursements and overhead and staff and interest costs while you're carrying the costs for a settlement for years? How would this transform your life to 10 times your cash flow income per month? So let me ask you, if you could get 5 new clients pre-screened with real cases every month, would you be interested? Why did you become a personal injury lawyer? Surely it is to help people who have been injured. So do I have permission to share an offer with you? At the end of the day, it's all about people. Why don't you let us handle the tech so that you can serve more clients and get them great settlements? So here's my offer to you, my services. I create a custom chatbot for your law practice. It is customized to your firm with a header and your name and whatever questions that you need in your intake process that will save you time and save you work. And also included this is a Facebook ad campaign done for you so that you get these pre-screened clients and you only pay for clients delivered. So if I only get you 4 clients per month, then you only pay for 4 clients. But the goal will be to get you 5 new clients per month because I want to get you 60 new clients per year if you're interested. And all of this is integrated with your favorite legal practice software. It can be. So also as a bonus, I offer the 10X Injury Lawyer Master Course. Now, what is this? This is from my years in the insurance industry. And we go over some basic things like the difference between the legal mind and the business mind, because this is actually very important when you're negotiating with insurance companies, because they don't think like lawyers, they think like businesses. Also, we're going to look at the structural problem with the litigation process and focusing on your ideal client, and also about quantum and valuation of insurance settlement demands. You will also discover the Achilles heel of insurance companies and how to negotiate maximum settlements for your clients without going through litigation. And I'll give you real world numbers on how you can 10x your income in 12 months or less. Schedule your free strategy session. Spaces are very limited. You go to 10xinjurylawyer.com/apply. And also don't forget to download your free 10x Injury Lawyer step-by-step guide to get clients automatically. And if you schedule your session today, you will get for free. Now, this is a bonus. You get the 10X Injury Lawyer 8-day master course. You get it for free. Instant access to that if you register today. And all you have to do is click on the link 10xinjurylawyer.com/apply. And you set up a time for me to call you, and I call you, and that's it, and we can talk there. Now, there's no obligation on you. You get this instant access course, but we can discuss your goals, your situation, and how we can 10x your income in the next 12 months. So thank you so much for watching. Go to 10xinjurylawyer.com/apply if you want to grow your income and get new clients coming in on automatic and to get great settlements for your clients. So thanks for watching. This is Matheson McKinnon of the 10X Injury Lawyer. Have a great day. Over and out.